Namaste children. Till now we have discussed about the root system. Now today we are going to learn about the shoot system. The shoot system develops from the plumule of the embryo and it is the aerial part of the plant. It consists of the stem, branches, buds, leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem keeps the plant upright. It grows towards the sunlight. Young stems are green in color and old stems are brown. It bears the leaves and in such a way they get enough sunlight. They bear flowers and fruits. Buds which grow into branches or flowers are seen at the tip of the stems and in the axial of the leaves. The bud which grows at the tip of the stem is called the terminal bud, and that which grows in the axial of the leaf is known as axillary bud. Stems have tubes to conduct water from the roots to all parts of the shoot system and the prepared food from the leaves to all parts of the plant including roots. Leaves arise from certain points on the stem. Those are called as nodes. Stems have tubes to conduct water from the roots to all parts of the shoot system and the prepared food from the leaves to all parts of the plant, including roots. Leaves arise from certain points on the stem called nodes. The leafless portion in between two successive nodes is called an internode. Branches arise from the axillary buds at the nodes. Trees are having strong, woody, tall, and erect stems. But some plants do not have strong and erect stems. So they cannot stand straight and they are called weak stemmed plants. Some big stemmed plants like lawn grass and strawberry grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Now, some plants climb on support with the help of modified plant parts. Now, coming to the modifications of stems, stems perform some special functions. They look different from normal stems and are called modified stems. Weak stems plants like the passion flower plant have modified stems called stem tendrils, thin, spirally coiled and spring-like. The tendrils coil around the support. Some stems modified to store food. They are underground. For example, potato and ginger are such stems. Now, if you observe, there are buds on the stem growing into shoots. Like potato, modified stems of other plants growing underground show all parts of the stem like nodes, internodes, buds, and they also have small non-green thin papery leaves called scaly leaves. The cactus does not grow leaves to avoid loss of water through transpiration. The stem is modified to do the function of leaves, that is, photosynthesis, making food. The stems of a lemon plant have thorns. Thorns are modified stems that give protection from animals. Now, coming to the leaf. Leaves are green and flat. Leaves grow from the nodes of the stems and its branches. They contain pigments which give color. The chlorophyll pigment gives green color to the leaves. Leaves are of different sizes and shapes. Coming to the parts of the leaf base, the part of the leaf arising from the node is called the leaf base. Leaf stalk, The thin stalk extending from the leaf base is called the leaf stalk or petiole. Leaf blade. The broad, flat, green part of the leaf is called leaf blade. The leaf blade is supported by a thick midrib that runs from the stalk to the tip of the leaf. The midrib branches off on either side, and these branches are called veins. Veins branch out into veinlets. The midrib and veins give support to the leaf. These veinlets carry water and minerals to all parts of the leaf. They also carry food made by the leaves to the stem, which carries the food to all parts of the plant. Once again, the flat green part of the leaf is called as leaf lamina or leaf blade. The tip of the leaf is called as leaf tip, and the lamina is attached to the stem by a narrow short stalk which is known as petiole, and from where it arises on the stem that is called as leaf base. And another example to see, this is the leaf blade, palmate leaf. This is called as lamina, and these are the veins. This is the main midrib, and these are veinlets, and this is the leaf stalk or petiole, and these carry the water and minerals to all parts of the leaf which are collected from the stem, and also the made food from the leaf to the stem. Once again, the arrangement of veins on the leaf lamina or the leaf blade is called as venation. So there are two types of leaf venation. Those are parallel venation and reticulate venation. The veins in plants with fibrous roots are parallel to each other along the length of the leaf blade, which is called as parallel venation. Whereas in plants that have taproot system, the veins form a net-like design on both sides of the leaf, which is called as reticulate venation. The leaf venation, for example, in the leaves of grass, the veins are parallel to one another. This is parallel venation. Whereas if they are designed in the form of a net-like on both sides of the midrib, then the venation is called as reticulate venation. Now, coming to the functions of the leaf. The presence of a green pigment in the leaf is called as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll uses sunlight and provides energy to the plant for making food. The process of making food by the leaves is called as photosynthesis. The food that the leaf prepares is a kind of sugar called glucose. The glucose changes into starch before the plant stores it. Plant use some of this food to perform their life functions and store the rest in fruits, roots, stems, or leaves. Leaves provide food to the entire living world. Some other functions of the leaf are: leaves release excess of water from the plant through stomata, which is called as transpiration. The two important functions of transpiration are: it helps in cooling down the leaves. It plays an important role in water cycle by increasing the moisture in the air. Once again, coming to the functions of the leaf, plants make food in their leaves. Chlorophyll, the green pigment, helps the leaves to absorb sunlight. Water and carbon dioxide combine together in the presence of sunlight to produce food and oxygen. The oxygen is given out. The process by which plants make food is called photosynthesis. Some other functions of leaves are: leaves release water from the plant through stomata, which is called as transpiration. The two important functions of transpiration are: it helps in cooling down leaves, it plays an important role in water cycle by increasing the moisture in the air. So leaves give out excess of water in the form of water vapor. This process is called as transpiration. Leaves also perform respiration. Leaves take in air and make use of oxygen to break down the food to release energy and give out carbon dioxide. The exchange of gases takes place through small pores or tiny openings on the leaf surface. These pores are called stomata. Plants also transpire through these pores only. Coming to the special functions of leaf. This is the picture which shows the process of transpiration. Now, some of the special functions of leaves. Leaves show various types of modification in special conditions. Leaves are modified to give support. Leaves are modified into spines. For example, some leaves will be having that sweet pea plant has modified thin spring-like leaf tendrils which help the plant in climbing. The cactus, which grows in the desert, has leaves that are modified into spines in order to reduce loss of water through transpiration. In the picture plant, the pictures in which insects are trapped are modified leaves. Here in the picture, gloriosa with the leaf tendrils and cactus with leaves modified into spines are shown.